Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with how do you make money with a small channel. So most of you wonder if you could make money with a small channel. Yes, it's true. You can make money with a small YouTube channel. So how do we do this, and how have I managed to make money with my small channel? Yeah, before I was monetized, I had never made money with AdSense. And if you wondering when was I monetized, click on the video over here. It will take you through that video, or check that video in the description link below, how you get monetized with a small channel. So if you have a small channel and you're here and you want some tips to help you on getting monetized on YouTube to get some ad revenue, then go to that video and check it out, and then or continue watching this and then check that out later. How did I make money before I got monetized, or how do I make money on YouTube, and how could you make money with your small channel on YouTube? So the first thing you have to do is just start making good content. Make good content, because before I even started thinking about getting my channel monetized, I started making content that answered people's questions. You know, I built a client base with my YouTube channel. When I started making videos, I started making videos to answer my clients' questions, and people had questions that didn't know where to get answers from. So I made videos just answering those questions. When no one asked for them, I just made videos, and and all of a sudden people started contacting me, asking me more questions, and asking me to help them with their web optimization, help them with their businesses, help them grow, and that kind of thing. I didn't get a lot of clients, so I won't say, oh, I got so many, lots of clients, but I got clients that I didn't expect to get just by making videos, yeah, and without even looking for the clients. So it's a way of advertising yourself, even without knowing that you're advertising yourself, yeah. So the second thing I also did was I made affiliate links. The affiliate links that I made, I just made them recently because most people were talking about them, but I didn't really, I wasn't trusting them that well. But I asked a few friends who were like, yeah, they were earning a lot of money from affiliate links. And I picked up a few affiliate links with the products I was using. So if you're really interested in anything you think I'm using on this channel, check in the description below and check in the comment sections. You'll find those links there. So the other thing that you should also consider making money on YouTube is designing your own product. When I started this channel, the purpose of starting this channel was also to make ads for my product, because by then I started designing scarves, and then I wanted people to know my scarves and understand them. A scarf is a very difficult product to advertise, so I started making content about scarves and things like that, although it wasn't search friendly, but it brought some idea to my clients, and it also helped my website in ranking. So because all those videos were embedded on my website started ranking for scarves in so many countries, because it had like content, and the content was original and it was unique. That was also a benefit, and if you make good content and your content is search friendly, you will get known, and people will always come back to you for information, because they trust the information you give if you give good information. And most of you are just thinking, yeah, why should I make content when they are not paying me? The account is not ready for AdSense, then I shouldn't do it. No, most of the time you have to first give before even you get recognized, and before anyone even thinks of you, So what I've done on this channel is I've always given. I have products that I've designed, and I don't know if any of you who are watching me have bought any of them, but I know some people buy my products, some people don't. But if you haven't bought my products and you don't know what my products are, go into the description link below and go to my website and find out what I design. I design silk scarves, silk masks, and all things made out of silk, and you can get those products. And I also have some digital courses. Maybe you're interested in learning a skill to help you grow your channel or help you grow your business or online business. Go into the description link below and go there and see what I can offer you as someone who is watching me and can help your business. So that's how I've managed to grow my YouTube channel, the small audience, and also make money. But making money with this YouTube is also a way of advertising. You keep on advertising yourself by talking about the things you know and also telling people how you can help them. It's also an added value that people come up to you, come with questions, and they expect you to answer them, which is good if you are if you're an expert in the field and position yourself in as an expert in the field, which is always good for a business. So when I was starting out, I used to have a 9-to-5 job, which was good. I loved my job, although it didn't go so well. There are some issues, but that's not why we're here. We're here because I want to help you grow your YouTube channel, and I want you to make money with your small audience. So think about making that money with a small audience. So make good content, share it, make it search friendly, and you will start getting money. For most of you out there who are hesitant on starting a channel because you don't know if you can make money with a small channel, you're wrong. Pick up those affiliate links, start making good content, searchable content. Make sure you're answering the right questions in your niche or your industry you want to help people in, you want clients in, and that will help you. Other thing that can help you make money on YouTube is affiliate links. I don't know if I've mentioned this. Affiliate links, I was hesitant on getting affiliate links until I asked some friends of mine about them. They said they made lots of money with affiliate links. If you have some products you know you can promote, you can go to ClickBank and get some affiliate links you can promote. You can put the links in the description on your channel, and you can also talk about the product on your channel, and then people can buy the product if they like it. On this channel, I promote the products I use, like I promote the recorders I'm using, I promote the lights I'm using, and promote some other products I love. So if you want to check those affiliate links and you want to support this channel, will help me grow and help me earn some money, go into the description below and you'll find those links to my affiliate programs, and you can use them to buy something, and then I'll get a commission. The person who is actually buying the product doesn't pay the commission. The company that's selling this product pays my commission. So you're like a seller. So this helps you also make money on YouTube with a small channel. You don't need, a required subscriber base to do this. Yeah. The other thing is you can also make money on YouTube by just posting relevant information that people are searching for, and also helping people make videos. Because if your videos look good, clients will come to you and say, I want you to make videos for my company. I've had people come to me, ask me, can you help me make videos for my company? Yeah. Sometimes I don't have the time, and sometimes I'm very expensive because I'm not very expensive. Some people can afford me, and some people can't afford me, because most of the people think that we make videos with our iPhones because we are vlogging. They think everyone is a vlogger. They don't understand the difference between an education channel. So the thing is, some of them you cannot really explain to them that, you need this kind of money to make this kind of content. They only think we have to shoot a video with a phone. In some cases, yes, but if you want to produce professional content like I do on this channel, you can not really use your phone to shoot it, So I cannot go helping, people shooting videos with their phones. If you're a client and you want me to help you shoot your videos with your phone, I'm sorry, I don't do that, but I have a production company that can help you do it. So contact us, and then we will come and help you shoot your videos professionally. The other thing how I've made money on YouTube is I have helped people solve problems through helping them grow their online businesses, and also doing social media marketing for them, because we have a digital agency and we also get clients for that. So we keep on sharing content and sharing what we do with our clients, and keeping them in the loop. So there you can also keep making money. So if you're someone who is wondering how to make a living on YouTube without AdSense, there are so many ways you can grow your business on YouTube. And the other thing which I love so much about YouTube is that I'm happy with just making videos. It's so rewarding, and it's so satisfying. I've never been this happy, and I'm so happy that even though I don't get a lot of money making these videos, but the happiness I get out of it by doing something and also investing a lot of energy at the end of the day comes out is, it's so valuable, because the experience, the journey is so much more than what you expect. You know, most of you think that money, the reward, is more, you know, is more beneficial to you than, you know, the result. But to me, it's more about the journey. I enjoy the journey more. I love making videos. I love sitting here and talking to you and, you know, sharing my views and sharing my insights on something. So for most of you who are thinking, yeah, but why if you're not getting paid, if I'm not making money? Yes, I'm making money through other things, but even before that money, the happiness counts more. It's worth millions to me than just, if you know, few pieces of silver coins that you want to get out of AdSense. And the other thing I've also learned on YouTube, I went to business school, but I have learned skills. I've learned skills on YouTube ever since I started YouTube and started using YouTube. I have learned editing, I've learned filming, I've learned sound, I've learned photography, all those things I had never learned. I've been in business school, but also a business school kind of ripped me off, I think, because in real life, it's totally different. You know, I know all these things. You set up a business, blah, 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 how it is strategy, and you write a business plan. Yeah, the business plans don't go the way you expect. So sometimes it's even useless to write a business plan. It's just like a, you know, like a guideline. But YouTube, you know where you are. You make a video, you edit it, and blah, blah. And okay, with some knowledge, I know I'm not that dumb, you know, kind of that clever. But I want to tell you guys who are hesitant on starting a small channel or starting a channel because you think you have to start from $1 million to make money. No, I've made money with a small channel, and you also can start now by making good content and sharing good content with your audience, and it will grow and you will make that money. I hope you like this video. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and watch more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3 and go.